Okay, so you're sick in bed with COVID, like your 5th day in a row. And this is what you hear from the kitchen. Oh crap. And water. Well, that's because that's when the drain decided to go in your kitchen sink. So the next day, you've got to put it back together. So we're gonna put together a drain real quick. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hopefully it'll take just a couple minutes. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's my sink. You can see. Here's all the pieces. I cleaned them up this morning because they were gross. So the first thing we're gonna do is plumber's putty. This is $4 at Lowe's, okay? But I would say if you know you're gonna need a project for plumbing, just automatically go out and buy a new tub of these because it never fails. Every time I need plumber's putty and I go and I grab my plumber's putty, it's plumber's rock, it's not plumber's putty. But you get to channel your inner child and make a snake with the Play-Doh. Okay, so just make a nice long, doesn't have to be big, but we're gonna need to see, there's a little indent, and what I wanna do is I want to take a paper towel because I wanna make sure that that indent is completely smooth, okay? We don't even have a garbage disposal on our sink, and it was gross when I did the drains and stuff. I took the garbage disposal out when we got the house. It's just, garbage disposals aren't good. They just, I've noticed that there's always more sewer problems and drain problems when you have one. So I just don't do it. But anyway, so we're gonna take this little snake and we're gonna go all the way around the circle with it. Can you see that? The black thing, this thing right here is my mic. I thought I'd get a mic because I don't have much of a voice right now, so that there's a better chance you could hear me. So we're going to go all the way around, and you just do it until that little space is full. And I'll try to zoom up on it some more. Let's see, can I zoom more? Oh, that's about as much. But I'll try to get more in post-edit. But you're just basically the little indented lip. You're trying to kind of fill that indented lip. That's how I go with it. And whatever's left, and you don't have to worry about putting too much, because whatever's left is going to squeeze out the side. So you'll just have stuff to clean up. Okay, so we got that. Now, it comes with a gasket. So here's the gasket. We're going to put that right up over it. And this piece here. And then it has a little screwed thingy that we're going to put in. But we're also going to need to go under now. So I'm going to show you under the sink if I can, so hold on. Okay, so here's this bottom part we're going to put there. Oh, what did I do? Did my little portable light die? There it goes. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. You may see a kitten jump through here. So I need to get that there. Okay, so I got it lightly screwed there. So now we're going to go up to the top again. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we got this here. I'm going to try to tighten this down to the bottom piece. And if it's tightening, we should see our plumber's putty scooching out the side. Which we do. Can you see right here? This plumber's putty is scooching out the side. Then let's check downstairs. Okay, so we got that in. Looks pretty tight. And then this is the piece right here that attaches here. Now I didn't put any plumber's tape on it. I don't think we need, I think my little charger light thingy is done. Okay, why am I having such a hard time screwing on a screw? There we go. Because everything's backwards under a sink. Why do I always forget that? Okay, so we're gonna make that as tight as we can. Then, and yes, there's a kitten. Kitten, I love you. Go away. Oh, I think my switch is going on this. Okay, so I rearranged and made it the fit, filling up the sink right now because I want to do like a pressure test. So this is my concern, is will it stay attached right here now? Because we fixed this leak here, so there's no leak here anymore, as we can tell, because it's plugged and yet it's not leaking from that pressure. So that part's been fixed. So now we just got to try to make, and this part's fixed, it's not leaking there. So now we gotta see if we got it so this will hold under pressure. So, ready? Here we go. Okay, she be fixed. We did it. Okay, so I don't know if you can even see me if this is on massive zoom. This is on massive zoom. Nobody should see me that up close. Am I put back to regular? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so under the sink is fixed. We got no more leaks. I can take some NyQuil and go back to sleep. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.